Your gasoline direct injection engine is designed to increase horsepower, lower emissions, and use less fuel, while also operating under high pressures, tight tolerances, and extreme heat. To maintain maximum performance, a technician must clean the air induction and fuel injection systems in order to achieve the exact air-to-fuel ratio designed by the manufacturer, and to avoid timing issues that cause poor fuel efficiency and carbon buildup from the air intake and combustion chambers all the way to the catalytic converter. A technician uses an atomizing tool to spray ACDelco air intake valve and combustion chamber cleaner to remove fuel-robbing deposits from the entire air induction system and combustion chambers. Then, using ACDelco Fuel System Cleaner 44K, deposits are removed from the entire fuel and exhaust systems, including the fuel tank, fuel pump and lines, as well as baked-on carbon on injector tips, spark plugs, combustion chambers, O2 sensors, and the catalytic converter, burning them safely during the next tank of fuel. The ACDelco Fuel System Cleaning Service reduces problems such as engine surge, misfires, stumble, hesitation, and power loss. You will experience longer engine life with restored horsepower, fuel efficiency, and reduced exhaust emissions. The ACDelco Fuel System Cleaning Service is recommended every 20,000 kilometers.